Good day to all my viewers, good day to all my subscribers. Today I'll be making for you egg curry. Egg curry. Egg curry can be for breakfast, it can be for lunch, it can also be for dinner. Alright, so we're going to make some egg curry today. What I love to have my egg curry with is white rice. You can have it with some boiled bananas, some slice of yam, but I like my egg curry with white rice. Alright people, I have the veggies peeled and in the water. Yeah. Now I'm going to put my eggs to boil, and then I'm going to prepare the seasoning and the veggies. I need some time. No, I don't have any time. Scallion. I need some scallion. Yes people, so now I'm going to put some eggs to boil, and then we'll put them to cool, and then we'll shell them, take the shells off, and we'll begin our prepare our veggies, and then we're going to start to do our egg curry. Yes people, I'm going to cut up my veggies now. All right, now you're on my cutting board. I'm going to cut up my veggies. You want to cut them thin. Remember, it's a quick meal, you don't want them too thick, and then it takes long. You really want a sharp knife, trust me. But this will do for the time being. I want a knife just whips through the food them. Alright? Cut your veggies small. You don't want it to take long to cook, because a quick meal. Alright people? Cut them thin man and cut them small. Make it thing over pan cook. Quick and easy. Alright? Preparing the veggies, and then the egg a boil, and then we're going to have everything to combine together. Alright? Quick and fast. And you love this. Have a carrot, you can put cucumbers. Cucumbers. If you have cucumbers, you can put them in there, right? I'm using my carrots. Don't want to cut them too thick, because I want them to cook quick. And this is nice with white rice. You boil bananas if you want to, but this will be great with white rice. So that means you can use it for breakfast, lunch, or even dinner. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, anyone. And you're going to love this egg curry. You're going to cook it, and you're going to comment and tell me how it's nice, or your children love it, or your husband love it. Alright? You're going to prepare it, and you're going to have to buy more eggs and cook again, because the children are going to love it, your husband is going to love it, you are going to love it. Nice egg curry. Some sharp knife people. Knife them done. Right? Onion have me squeezing. Alright, let me leave this. I'm gonna wash these. mouth. Veggies. I'm gonna wash these and come back, people. Now the eggs are boiling, people. Right. As soon as they are finished, we're going to take them out and we are going to pick them. Put them to cool and pick them. Alright? Right now they're boiling. Prepare my tomatoes. This is juicy. This would make nice tomato juice. Or for who love to drink, some Bloody Mary. Who love Bloody Mary? This would make some nice Bloody Mary. The juice was springing out of it. Oh, look at my board. Nice Bloody Mary this would make. Alright? Now, go easy pan the scotchy. Go easy pan the scotchy. Not too much scotchy. Afraid of scotchy, you know. Alright? We're going to prepare our eggs. Alright, people. I'm going to pick my eggs. They're a bit hot, but I'm going to pick. Nevertheless, I'm still going to pick them. Sometimes we boil the egg and it's a little soft. Well, soft egg cannot do this recipe. You need to have them firm. Alright? Soft egg thing not going to work with this recipe here. Firm egg. See? They have to be firm as they're going to break up. See there? You can't have them soft. Right? It's still hot, you know. That burn me, people. But I can't wait. Hungry calling. Right? When you're hungry, can't wait. So pick your hard-boiled eggs. Get your curry. Get your seasonings ready. See that? Hot butter picking it same way. See that? See there, people. Alright. One more. 3 down, 1 to go. I'm going to do a bigger egg curry video. I'm using a small amount of eggs now. Can do it with if your family is big, can do it with a tray of egg. Each person getting 3 or 2, depending on the size of the family. This wanted more egg, you know. I haven't been to the supermarket yet. So then I have to use what I have. But if your family is big, you're going to need more egg than this. Alright? So I have my veggies over here. I have my egg over here. I have my oil, my seasoning. I'm ready. Putting some oil in the pot. I'm going to burn some curry. And the best curry is Better Pork. Yep. This is not a promotion. I don't get anything from Better Pork. But I love to use this curry. Alright, so just burn a little in the oil. Brown your egg. So I'm not using the whole pack because this curry is very strong. I'm going to burn some curry in the oil. Then I'm going to place my egg in there to get some color. Remember, it's called curry egg. So it's like I'm frying my eggs in the oil. Take off the shells. Just going to toss the egg in the oil a little. Give them some color. Sometimes I work on a YouTube video and it don't go like where you want it to go. You have high hopes for it, so you just make sure that the eggs are brown. Toss it up and down in the oil. Look at that, lovely. So before your curry burn up, look at that. And then what we're going to do with them, take them out. And the curry burn up, become a bitter. See that? I'm going to take them out. See that? Curry eggs. That's why we call them curry eggs, alright? Curry them first. Take them out of the oil. Now we're going to use back the same oil for the veggies. And dress back camera lady. See that? See that? Same curry. Toss everything. It's quick and easy. Toss everything. Lovely. Nice. Lovely. Still have some in my plate. Still have some in here. Yeah, still have veggies in here. They wanted more eggs. But nice we have even a dozen. But I have not been to the supermarket as yet. So I'm just using what I have, people. I'm turn up the flames a little. Toss them in the oil. Sometimes you do some YouTube video. So this is a great video. It's going to reach a lot of people. But because we don't understand the dynamics of how to set up our YouTube channel, how to reach viewers, how to reach subscribers, the little YouTubers, sometimes we feel like giving up. Never give up. I say there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough. So I don't understand how certain dynamics and how to upload videos. I don't understand certain things. But I will learn and I ain't giving up. Alright? This ain't there. What do you do next? Mix some water to cook your veggies. Some water to cook your veggies. They'll put on some white rice with it, you know, people. Hey, they'll put on some white rice. Never say if you drown the veggie them, you know. Just enough to cook the veggie them. Alright? When you finish, if you want more pepper, as an egg, you'll put some more pepper in there. You see? My eggs, they are nice and curried. Nice curry egg. Alright? Now, I'm going to put on, so season this up, make it taste nice. This will cook your veggies, it look like you want a little more. There we go. There we go. Alright, what we need now, season it up with a little seasoning. Make it something taste nice now. I put a little jerk. It look lovely already, you know, it look like you can eat. Put a little jerk. Seasoning up, man, make it something taste good. I put a little black pepper. A little black pepper. Yeah. A little Maggi. Today ain't no evening. Little Maggi all purpose. Want a little more Maggi. Alright. See there? And we're going to toss that. Let's hold it. Where's the thumbs up? Alright, we're going to toss it up and allow these veggies to cook. I say there ain't no giving in. And then I'm going to work my magic after this cook. I'm going to show you. Right now the curry look like it can eat already. Lovely. Alright. Alright people, veggies cook soft and nice. Now we're going to add our eggs. And just submerge them into the gravy. Curry eggs. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, white rice, some banana, doesn't matter. Look at that, lovely. Right? Now, why aren't we serving dinner? Because the rice is not finished. Alright, so I can't serve it. You will get your one man. The more I would water in. Okay. The more I would water to make egg curry, but I don't not get none. Who beg? Nah get. Who no beg no one. Who no V no van. Jamaicans in the diaspora. The British, Canadians, whichever country you're viewing from. Big up yourself. Much love. This is finished, people. Turn it off. Egg curry delight. Yum, yum. Can't wait to eat it. People, this is the finished dish. My curry egg curry, and my veggies. All right. I'm going to. You want to see my egg? Let me cut my egg and let you see. Look at that. Lovely. Nice. Now I'm going to have a meal. All right. See the egg, the people. So we are going at it. Look at that. This is your meat. Look at that. Look at that. So the egg. This, people, is amazing. Nah lie you. This tastes great. Nah lie you at all. Try it. Please cook this. Veggies. Pepper right, seasoning right. Egg tastes so good with the rice. This is really great, people. Really great. Please subscribe to the channel if you have been watching and you have not yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Subscribe, man. Turn on your notification bell. When I come on, you will know. Alright? Select all when you turn on your notification bell. Give the videos a thumbs up and comment. Say something, man. See you soon.